Think humanoid robots are still just lab experiments? Think again. The race for real-world automation just hit overdrive with the launch of the AGIBOT A3. Built ground up to navigate spaces made for humans, this machine doesn't just walk, it moves with terrifyingly smooth precision. Thanks to a high-torque custom actuator system, the A3 demonstrates rock-solid stability and fluid coordination, handling complex physical tasks effortlessly. To keep it working around the clock, AGIBOT solved one of robotics' biggest headaches: battery life. With an instant swappable battery pack, downtime is virtually eliminated, a massive game-changer for factory floors and high-output industrial setups where every minute counts. Behind the hardware is a powerful AI engine. Engineers train the A3 in hyper-realistic digital simulations before it ever touches the real world. By feeding massive motion datasets into its neural network, the robot learns new skills faster, safer, and with pinpoint reliability. This isn't just a prototype meant for show. Heavy stress testing, rugged transport checks, and strict quality control prove the A3 is built to survive long-term wear and tear in demanding commercial environments. Beyond raw hardware capability, what sets the A3 apart is its ecosystem architecture. AGIBOT has engineered this platform to integrate directly with automated fleet management software, allowing companies to dispatch, monitor, and update multiple units simultaneously. This means a single facility can deploy an entire workforce of humanoids that sync tasks in real time, turning isolated robotic units into a fully unified autonomous labor force. Deploying heavy machinery around human workers requires an absolute commitment to safety. The A3 addresses this with an array of multimodal tactile sensors and vision systems, allowing it to instantly detect subtle shifts in its immediate environment. If a human worker steps into its operational radius, the robot dynamically adjusts its speed and torque, ensuring smooth, collision-free collaboration without the big picture. From advanced mechanics to cloud-trained AI, the AGIBOT A3 proves that human-sized general-purpose robots are ready to step out of the lab and straight onto the job site beside us. The future of automation is officially here. Follow for more.